Hey everybody, Christina here from Copictopia. I have been asked a lot lately how I do my reverse imaging or mirror stamping because you all know I've been doing it a lot on my cards lately. So I thought I would pop on here and just show you how I do it. So I'm going to show you how with this Whimsy stamps. It's Dust and Pike, Ain't You Sweet, clear stamp set, and I want that cup to sit next to the picture. If I put it up or put it to the side, I feel like the ants are just going to mess it up a little bit and not look right. So I'm going to mirror stamp or reverse image this little cup. So this is the Stamparatus from Stampin Up, and I will have all the links and stuff to what I'm using down below. This is just a silicone pad that was a lot bigger, and I cut it down to size because I didn't need it as much. I got it at Spellbinders, Spellbinders. So I'm just going to go ahead and place my image and push it down, and you can use the magnets or not. Sometimes it makes it to where I can't stamp. So, but this time the rubber's kind of coming up a little bit, so I'm just going to put it on the very edge so that it will stamp and not cause any problems with the image itself. I'm going to go ahead and use some black tuxedo Memento ink because I'm going to be coloring this with Copics, and this is the ink that is recommended by Two Corporation that makes Copics. If you're not going to use Copic markers or alcohol ink markers, then another ink like Hero Arts or something like that would probably work a little bit better because it's a little bit juicier and it'll get you a better stamped image the first time around. But I'm making sure that it's really juicy, so I stamped it a couple of times. Now I'm taking some Nina Solar White Classic Crest 80-pound paper, and that is a total mouthful. And I'm just taking this tool that a friend got me and rubbing it all over the paper, and now I have a stamped image that is reverse from what it would have been if I would have stamped it normally. So I'm really happy about that. But one tip, use a baby wipe or a wet cloth to wipe your silicone pad down right away, or it will stain your pad. And I believe this will go for all inks. So I hope this helped you, and I hope you have a great time making some images.